Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW i3 VS ZOE full comparison. Follow along as I highlight key differences you need to know before choosing an EV. We start with design and build quality, then cover battery options, charging flexibility, and interior practicality. I will explain how each car fits different lifestyles and budgets, and point out which buyer gets the better deal based on driving needs and total ownership costs. The driving feel matters a lot when comparing these electric cars, so I will walk you through acceleration, handling, and real-world range expectations. Expect the i3 to feel punchy and nimble in urban traffic, while the Zoe prioritizes steady efficiency for longer commutes. I will also compare battery sizes, charging rates, and how factors like cold weather or highway speeds change range estimates for typical owners. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more reviews and guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that fit neatly in your trunk and prevent spills during turns. They are great for commuting, road trips, and saving money on food while you charge. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax, grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. Money and practicality are deciding factors, so I will break down purchase cost, incentives, and ongoing expenses like charging and maintenance. The Zoe often wins on efficiency and lower energy costs, while the i3 can command higher resale value depending on specifications. I will compare cargo capacity, seating comfort, and typical service needs to help you decide which model better suits commuting, family errands, or occasional long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.